Hi guys, this is Raju John here. Uh, a beautiful, a beautiful monsoon day. It's the 8th of June, and here I am in the lovely city of Cochin, relaxing in my house. It's a Saturday, it's a weekend, and here I am by my own on my balcony and enjoying the beautiful rain, a beautiful monsoon day. Maybe you guys would like to have a look at how things look from my side, from my den, my parts of the woods. So let me let me show you a little bit about where I live. Oh, just have a look at the. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Oh wow! Look at that. Can you guys see that highway? That's the highway that leads to IT park. You know, if you know anything about India, we are one of the top IT countries in the world. IT is a big industry for us, and here I am just living close to the IT park. And that's our clubhouse. Those are the houses of some of my neighbors. If you look at the architecture, it's a combination of the modern with the traditional. And it's rather quiet, even though we have a highway close by, but it doesn't look so busy. So that's it. Beautiful greenery around. If you guys want to visit India, especially Cochin, just let me know, huh? And we'll arrange something. Oh wow, that's within my compound. A nice coconut tree. That's a mango tree there. And got a small yard out there. So well, that's a little about the rice day. And okay, maybe I'll show you around my city a little more in future videos. Just tell me how you like it. Okay, and see you soon. Bye.